Okay, nice. Stove. Cabinet. And backyard. So you can see that. Okay. This is the basement area where they had that little kitchen and the backyard. This is the basement area.
That's a steam furnace, by the way. And
Very
we have
nice.
radiator on each and every floor.
Mm-hmm.
Fios.
Oh, you got the
Yeah.
Looks
guitars down here.
File is the best.
Oh my god. This is usually where everybody does their music playing.
Like,
Boiler. Cool.
did you make that
Where?
like some ventilation so you get some crust?
I'm not too sure about it.
That
I
goes
think
to
it's
that yard?
close. I think it's close.
So
From
is that
outside, to be
water?
honest, yeah.
But sometimes they do those little neck, swan neck thing.
How you can take a look
Yeah.
at how thick is the wall.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's a rock solid kind of townhome.
Wow. Yeah. Hmm. Cool.
Oh yeah, we do that. Okay.
That goes up to the chimney or something?
No, that probably that front little yard.
Oh, okay. Ah,
Could you take a
I
look?
got it.
Yeah.
Patio?
Yes.
Come with this furniture? Or no?
I believe so. I think it's staying. It's a cooler. It's a bar.
It's a bar. Nice. Okay. Nice little yard, right? I gotta make the barbecue down here. One tree. Just gonna give him like a more or less 2 stories.
All the windows on the back side of the house were all replaced in 2006. All the front windows are still original.
Original.
This goes to their property?
This is their property, a walkway on your left hand side. It goes right up there.
Oh yeah.
I'll tell you this. I figure if you buy the building, I guess somebody else could come out this way. Go out to the front. Not bad at all. Yeah,
I think it's a common walkway.
it's like a little. Go down that way. Yeah,
I can
Yeah.
check if you want.
yeah, it's really nice. Well, I guess they got a little. That right here got me a little tired out. Yes, that's good.
Looks like pretty neighborhood.
A neighbor, yeah.
So use that or is that abandoned?
What?
That
This?
house.
Yeah, nothing is built on that property.
Wow, we got like a nice little back area.
So this is the upstairs, where you can see all the bedroom, the master bath, and master bedroom, and everything.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so you can see that. This goes to down that area. Cool. And that. Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't take a picture of this, did I? No. This is the laundry room. So you can see that. It's not, I'll erase it later. Just in case.
I mean, this guy's can easily turn into like a bedroom if you
Or
want
a
to
kid or something.
Yeah, if you want to move
Yeah.
water dryer downstairs and
Yeah,
take
into
the
the
cabinets
basement.
right in the basement and
Mhm.
turn it into a bedroom.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
Exactly, yeah, it's competitive. And if you like Russian at this point.
It's related. We spoke about it.
They made you do Russian, right? Yeah.
And we both majored in college. Yeah, we ended up there.
Get out of here.
There's forced air.
Good spot, that's good.
On water heater, you have,
Oh, it's like another room.
yeah.
Yeah, we're in here.
Yeah.
Getting old, Benny.
Yeah.
Yeah, radiator.
So that's why I gotta record this. Okay. So I can remember. Okay, we came in this way. Alright, here we go.
It's here too.
It's nice. It's a whole area here.
I'll show you put it in well.
And all the way around here.
It's baseball and
There we
water
go,
heater.
Oh, look at that.
Right there.
And there we go, like that. Little area.
Every picture to every
Nice.
point, like that's not
Mm-hmm.
It's weird. Wait, here's the other one.
Yeah.
Oh, people are bugging. That's funny. Yeah, it is. I actually
Nice.
made that card and some people reacted. I took the whole case of cards.
I'm glad you finally found a stylist.
And you too. So nice to meet you too. If you guys need anything, don't hesitate to call.
Thanks, thanks.
Okay?
Very,
Cool.
very nice.
Really, really nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Oh, so you can see the front. Okay. That's the outside from the window.
Take care.
Another one side. Alright, there we go. Now I'm just taking a like a video from the front, how it looks from the window. And this is the other side here. Okay. These are the other people that came and see the house. And now I'm making a right. Making another right. And now it's here's coming up. Cool.
Stairs a little hurt.
Did you guys go upstairs yet?
Not yet.
No.
No.
Cool.
Okay.
Nice and cool up here. Oh, tiny room.
Teeny.
Too. Yeah.
For Heather.
For Heather. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. This could be Heather's. That's right. Well, guess this would be her view. I messed with her. Yeah.
Master bedroom.
Master bedroom with a
Ready.
master bath right there.
Wow. In
Oh,
the
the
closet.
details are still
These are the
original.
closets. Whoa.
Yeah, the closets are like all solid wood.
Solid wood. Oh, bathroom. Cool. Oops, sorry. Nice. And inside the bed. Cool. That's nice. Picture one of those stuff. Oh, you got the little mirror there. Oh, I didn't take a picture of this side. Yeah. Ah. Well, it's well different like this. Yeah.
And we have another bedroom on the other side.
That's the bedroom.
Over here.
Cool.